How to remove profile picture on Facebook without deleting. So first is you have to go to your Facebook application here and go to your profile, and here you will see your feed area. And to be able to remove your profile picture on your Facebook without deleting, is you just have to tap on your profile here and go to see to select profile picture here. And I've actually downloaded a profile picture for this icon here. You can actually download it and tap on save here. As you can see, your profile picture is now unknown, so you are able to remove your profile picture on your Facebook without deleting, because if you see profile here, if you swipe it, you can still have the picture here. Now, to be able to not, let's say you don't want anyone to see your previous profile picture, then you have to set the privacy to only me, so that you can still have the copy of your profile picture. And basically, that is how you remove profile picture on Facebook without deleting. And if it still doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Facebook application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.